In this question, the unit vector I and j are due east and due north respectively. So you've got I on this side, due east, and j due north. A Coast Guard at Station O, so the origin, monitors the movement of a small boat. At 10 o'clock, the boat is at 4i minus 2j. So 4i minus 2j. Relative to O. At 12:45, the boat is at minus 3 minus 5. So minus 3i minus 5j. Relative to O. The motion of the boat is modeled as that of a particle moving in a straight line at a constant speed. So the particle is moving on a straight line. Calculate the bearing of the boat at which the boat is moving. Give your answers in degrees to 1 decimal place. So to work out bearing, remember we've got to have our north, we have the bearing that looks like that, so clockwise direction. Now to do this, we need to make a right angle triangle because we know that part of it is going to be 180 degrees. The only angle we need to work out is going to be this angle here. So we need to look at the diagram. Now it's not really usually to scale, but what you're going to do is you're looking at the difference between the I component. So in this case we are at 4, we start at 4, we ended at minus 3. So the difference is going to be 7 for the I component. The difference in the j component, we started off at minus 2 and we ended at minus 5. So the difference there is going to be 3. Now a right angle triangle, this will be our right angle triangle. This is going to be our opposite. This is going to be our adjacent. So we're going to use tan to solve the angle. So the inverse tan, opposite divided by adjacent, so 7/3. So that angle is going to be 66.8014. Now we need to make sure we add this angle, which is already 180. So we're going to work out that angle. So the bearing is going to be 180 plus 66.8014. We need to round the answer to 1 decimal place. So we would have 246.8 degrees. Part B, calculate the speed of the boat, giving your answer in kilometers per hour. So to work that part out, we need to find the distance traveled from here to here. And we're going to use Pythagoras to find that out. So we already know that our triangle is a 3/7. So the distance traveled. So distance traveled is going to be 3 squared plus 7 squared square root that. That gives us square root of 58. The time taken is given by this 2 point, and the time taken was from 10 till 12:45. So we have 2 hours and 45 minutes, which is equivalent to 2.75 hour. So we need to make sure the time is in hour. So that means our speed. So speed is distance over time. So we would have square root of 58 divided by 2.75. And that comes to square root 58 divided by 2.75. That would give us 2.769. Now we need to round our answer. So if we're going to round our answer, we would have 2.77. So the 2 decimal places, so 2.77 kilometer per hour.